that there's nothing common between gender and climate change. But gender is actually very integral to climate change. What is climate change? Climate change is how the heat stress and the rainfall patterns are actually impacting our agriculture, and how the heat wave is impacting our houses. For everything, if you look at it from a woman's point of view, then in the agriculture sector, women work much more with natural resources than men do. Most of the tasks they perform on the farm. They are the ones who collect most of the non-timber forest produce. They are the ones who do a lot of the fishing work. They will not be going out and catching the fish, but a lot of the fish processing and marketing is what they do. And if climate change is going to impact all these areas, then definitely women are the ones who are going to get more affected. So for instance, if it's getting hotter and women are doing more tasks, a lot of women want to now get up much earlier in the day when it's cooler, go to the fields, do some work, come back and rest, because they cannot now work in the heat. So obviously their days, they say, are getting longer. And if droughts are increasing and crop production is going down, it's the girls and the women who are actually going to get last to eat, and they will also get only that what is left after the men and the boys have eaten. So gender and climate change is really linked. Even if you look at a sector like transport, you might say, okay, what has transport and climate change and gender have to do with each other? The thing is that if you're looking at using electric cars, for instance, that's what the Government of India policy says, what are the routes that we are planning? Are we planning shorter routes? Because women often travel shorter routes than men do. They don't go out to work and then they come back. No. They have to probably go to a primary health center or to the school or to the local market. Do they use their legs to walk? Or do they really have clean transport or any transport to walk? Or if they have to go and fetch fodder from the forest, or if they have to go and fetch water, nobody's ever thought of transport for them, leave alone clean transport. So we're really looking at climate change deepening the gender divide. Women anyway don't have the wherewithal to take access to opportunities or more knowledge resources. They also have a lot of traditional knowledge which is not recognized, so they could actually be thought leaders of a lot of climate solutions. But it needs to be first recognized that gender, that is men and